Welcome to English with Altaf. Today we are going to learn how to practice English by finding your perfect speaking partner. This is a very useful topic because many learners want to improve their speaking but don't know how to practice with someone.
That's right. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with a partner is even better. In this video, we will talk step by step about why a speaking partner is important, how to choose the right one, and how to practice effectively with them.
Let's start with a simple idea. English is a language, and language is for communication. If you only study grammar or read books, you know the rules, but you may not speak confidently. A speaking partner gives you real practice.
Yes, and when you have a partner, you are not only practicing words, but also practicing listening, understanding, and responding. These are real skills that help you speak naturally. That's why finding the right partner is very important.
So, what makes a good speaking partner? First, the person should be patient. If they listen carefully and give you time to speak, you will feel comfortable. If they interrupt or laugh, you may feel shy. So, patience is the first quality.
Exactly. The second quality is consistency. A good partner practices regularly, not just once in a while. You need someone who can talk with you every day or at least a few times a week. That habit helps you improve faster.
The third quality is having the same goal. If both partners want to learn English, the practice becomes easier. For example, you can agree to speak for 10 minutes daily. You can talk about your day, your work, or any topic.
Yes, and it's also good if your partner is at a similar level. If they are too advanced, you may feel nervous. If they are too weak, you may not learn much. But if they are near your level, you both improve together.
That is true. Let's also talk about where to find a speaking partner. You can find one in your school, your workplace, or even online. Many apps and websites connect learners around the world. You can choose someone from another country and practice with them.
Yes, online practice is very popular. You can use free platforms like social media groups, language exchange, apps, or even Zoom and Skype calls. The internet gives us many chances to meet people who also want to learn.
Now let's talk about what to do when you finally find a partner. Many learners worry, what should we talk about? The answer is simple. Talk about your daily life. Share your routine, your food, your hobbies. Even simple topics give you good practice.
Yes, and you can also prepare topics before the conversation. For example, one day you talk about travel, the next day about school, the next day about family. This keeps the practice fresh and interesting.
Another important tip is to speak slowly and clearly. Don't try to be perfect. Your partner will understand you better if you speak at a natural speed. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's right. In fact, a good partner will help you correct your mistakes. You can even make an agreement. Please correct me when I say something wrong. This way, you learn directly from practice.
You can also play small games with your partner. For example, one person describes something and the other guesses. Or you can ask and answer simple questions quickly. These small activities make learning fun.
Yes, and another powerful method is role play. You can pretend to be in a restaurant, in a shop, at the airport, or in a meeting. Practicing these situations gives you real-life English skills.
Let's give an example of a short partner practice. I will ask you, what did you eat for breakfast? And you can answer in simple English.
All right, I can say, I ate bread and eggs. I drank tea. It was simple but good. That's how a small question becomes a small conversation. Then I can ask you, what did you eat?
I can answer, I ate rice and vegetables. I drank milk. It was healthy. See, in just 2 minutes, we both practiced speaking and listening.
That's the beauty of having a partner. Even short conversations give you practice. Over time, your vocabulary grows, your grammar becomes smoother, and your confidence increases.
Yes, confidence is the biggest benefit of a speaking partner. When you speak alone, you only hear yourself. But when you speak with someone, you learn to express ideas and to listen actively. That builds real confidence.
Another tip is to use English only when you practice. If you and your partner share the same native language, don't switch back. Try to speak only in English. Even if it is hard, it will push you to improve.
That's a very good point. Also, if you don't understand something your partner says, ask them to repeat slowly. For example, can you say that again? Or, can you speak slowly, please? This is real communication practice.
Yes, and you can even keep a small notebook. After each session, write down new words or sentences you learned from your partner. Later, review those notes and try to use them in your next practice.
And remember, the perfect speaking partner is not someone who is perfect in English. It is someone who helps you practice regularly, makes you feel comfortable, and supports your progress.
That's true. So don't waste time waiting for the perfect situation. Start looking today, ask a friend, join an online group, or even comment on English learning forums. You never know where you'll find your perfect speaking partner.
Before we close, let's repeat the key points. We learned that a good partner should be patient, consistent, and have the same goals. You can find them in your school, workplace, or online.
We also learned how to practice. Talk about your daily life, prepare topics, play games, use role play, and speak only English. These methods make practice simple and effective.
And finally, we learned that mistakes are normal. Confidence comes with practice, and the best partner is the one who supports you and practices regularly.
That's right. Thank you for joining us on English with Altaf. Remember, English is not learned in one day, but with the right partner, daily practice becomes easier and more enjoyable.
So go out, find your speaking partner, and start practicing today. Step by step, you will see your English grow, and soon you will speak with confidence.
See you in the next lesson with more simple and helpful English learning tips. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking.